And then one of those on the end there. I think that should do it. And then I'm just going to just get rid of this as well, because we just want it like a choppy, and then until we decide to drop a loppy, you know what I mean? Yep, good. Alright, get to tidy it up a bit. And on the last one now. Yeah. So that'd be lovely. So from there, so we got that. Boom, tap, boom. And then let's chop that out there. Alright. Alright. Alright, so now we've got this section here now, right? Now obviously that's going to have to chop now, right? Right, so now, let's see what we can do here now. Let's see if we can roll out this amen here now. Right, so now we just get rid of the Apache maybe. It would be helpful if it was labelled. So let's have a look on the oscilloscope. Alright, so that 7's the Apache. Start labelling up here now. Alright, so Apache's gone on this track here. So let's just mute this one for a second. See what we got here. Yeah, that's neat, man. That's neat. Now let me just make sure I'm not adding that. Yep. You see, these are the ghost tracks. This is what you got to watch out for. See how it's brought in all those there now? Yeah. Boom. You don't want all these amens have been brought in now, and we don't want them there because they're just going to cause havoc to our whole entire arrangement. Oh my word! Look. Alright, now. Right, so now let's get this and make it unique to avoid all that madness, yeah? Right, so now let's switch up these brakes. Right, so I'm gonna switch these two brakes up while this is doing this. Right, so now I'm gonna do something with the amen on this. Right, so let's try something with the amen. Boom. Right, that's rolling. Alright, so let's get that pasted in there. Let's have a little cheeky. Let's have a little repeat in there. R3, a little R3, man. Put an R3 there. Right, that's a bit quick. Let's try. Let's bring this back here a bit and see what we get with the R. No. Not quite what I had in mind. That's because I think that needs to be a... Need that really. Alright, here what we're going to do here now. Let me get this. I want that to be a bit lower, it might help. Boom. 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 Not bad, not bad, not bad. I can't like that. No, I'll keep it. Nice out of tune there. Let me go back one. Then we got to go back to here again. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge obviously because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes guys, big up. Okay peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up man, take care, God bless, peace.